Hey everyone, Steve said he saw someone by Baldo's portal. Hit the like button if you want us to go check it out. Did you hit it? Alright, let's do this.
Now, where did that bald teacher go? Ah, the sewer. I'm coming, Baldy. It's time to float.
Wow, this sewer never ends. I should be out of here by now. What's that sound? Oh no, I think that Pennywise clown danced his way into the sewer. I don't see anything. I better keep moving? Oh, come on, not another stupid balloon. And what's with red? Why can't you, get green or something?
Hello.
Oh my God! I'm out of here!